The breakfast mistake many people make after 65. There is a common breakfast pattern that quietly works against many adults after 65. A cup of tea. 2 slices of toast. Maybe a biscuit. Or a bowl of oats that looks healthy but leaves you hungry again within an hour. The issue is not that oats are bad. Oats are actually a great foundation. The problem is that plain oats can be too light on their own, especially when your body needs more support for digestion, heart health, steady energy, muscle maintenance, and joint comfort. That is why this simple habit can make a real difference. Add ground flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp hearts to your morning oats. These are not miracle seeds. They will not cure arthritis, erase joint pain overnight, or replace medicine. But together, they can turn an ordinary bowl of oats into a more filling, more balanced breakfast with fiber, healthy fats, plant protein, and important minerals. And after 65, that matters. Because at this age, you do not need a complicated diet. You need simple foods that are easy to prepare, easy to digest, and worth eating consistently. Let's start with the first seed. Seed number 1, ground flaxseed, the one your oats should not miss. Flaxseed is small, inexpensive, and easy to overlook. But it is one of the best things you can keep in your kitchen after 65. The important word here is ground flaxseed. Whole flax seeds are hard for the body to break down. They may pass through the digestive system almost unchanged. Ground flaxseed is easier to digest and allows your body to access more of its natural fats and fiber. Why does that matter? Because many older adults struggle with slow digestion, irregular bowel movements, and feeling heavy after meals. Flaxseed adds both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can support regularity and help your breakfast feel more satisfying. It also contains ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fat. Omega-3 fats are often included in heart-healthy and arthritis-friendly eating patterns because they may help support a healthier inflammatory balance in the body. Plant sources such as flax and chia provide ALA, while fatty fish provides the more direct EPA and DHA forms. For someone over 65, flaxseed is useful because it does not ask you to change your whole life. You do not need a special diet. You do not need an expensive supplement. You simply stir 1 tablespoon into oats. That one habit can give your breakfast more fiber, more healthy fat, and more staying power. The best way to use it. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed to cooked oats. Mix it in while the oats are still warm. Add cinnamon, berries, chopped apple, or half a banana for sweetness. Do not start with a huge amount. If your body is not used to high-fiber foods, too much flaxseed too quickly can cause gas, bloating, or loose stools. Start small. Let your body adjust. Seed number 2, chia seeds, the tiny seed that makes breakfast more filling. Chia seeds may look small, but once they touch liquid, they change completely. They soak up water, soften, and create a gentle gel-like texture. In oats, that makes the bowl thicker and more satisfying. This is helpful after 65 because many people feel hungry too soon after breakfast. They eat something light in the morning, then reach for biscuits, sugary tea, fried snacks, or extra bread before lunch. Chia seeds can help make that morning meal more satisfying because they add a lot of fiber. The Arthritis Foundation notes that chia seeds are especially high in fiber and also provide ALA omega-3 fats. That does not mean chia seeds melt arthritis away. They do not. But when you eat more fiber-rich foods, you may feel fuller for longer, manage appetite more easily, and support healthy weight maintenance. That matters because extra body weight can put more pressure on painful knees, hips, ankles, and feet. For many people, the best arthritis support strategy is not searching for one magical food. It is gradually building meals that are less processed and more filling. Chia seeds help with that. The best way to use it. Add 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to your oats. If you are new to chia, begin with 1 teaspoon. Let the oats sit for 5 to 10 minutes after mixing, so the chia has time to soften. You can also prepare overnight oats. Add oats, milk, chia seeds, ground flaxseed, cinnamon, and berries to a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight and eat it cold in the morning. One important thing, chia absorbs water, so make sure you drink enough fluids during the day. Do not eat dry chia seeds by the spoonful. Seed number 3, hemp hearts, the protein upgrade most oats are missing. The third seed is hemp hearts. Hemp hearts are the soft inner part of hemp seeds. They are mild, slightly nutty, and much softer than flax or chia. They do not need soaking, grinding, or cooking. You simply sprinkle them on top. What makes hemp hearts especially useful after 65 is their plant protein. As people get older, they naturally tend to lose muscle mass and strength. That can affect balance, walking, climbing stairs, confidence, and independence. Protein is one of the nutrients that help support muscle maintenance, and older adults are encouraged to include a variety of nutrient-dense protein foods in their diet. The problem is that many people eat almost no protein at breakfast. They may eat toast, cereal, porridge, or fruit, but very little that helps keep them full and supports muscle health. Hemp hearts can help improve that without making breakfast heavy. They also provide healthy fats and minerals, making oats feel more like a complete meal instead of just a bowl of carbohydrates. The best way to use it. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts over your oats after cooking. They work well with cinnamon, berries, banana, apple, walnuts, or plain yogurt. They are especially good for people who do not like the texture of chia or flax but still want a gentle way to add more nutrition to breakfast. Why these 3 seeds work better together? Each seed brings something different. Ground flaxseed gives you fiber and plant-based omega-3 fats. Chia seeds add more fiber and help make the meal more filling. Hemp hearts add protein and a soft, nutty texture. Together, they make plain oats stronger. Instead of eating a breakfast that gives you a quick burst of energy and then leaves you hungry, you get a meal that can keep you satisfied longer and support a more balanced eating routine. This kind of breakfast fits well into a Mediterranean-style eating pattern, which focuses on vegetables, fruits, beans, whole grains, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and minimally processed foods. That is the real goal. Not perfection. Not strict dieting. Just building a breakfast that gives your body more of what it needs. A simple morning oats recipe after 65. Here is an easy version you can make in less than 10 minutes. Take half a cup of rolled oats and cook them with water, milk, or unsweetened plant milk. When the oats become soft and creamy, stir in 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Then add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Finish with 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts on top. For flavor, add cinnamon and one of these options. Blueberries or strawberries for a fresh antioxidant boost. Sliced apple with cinnamon for a warm, comforting taste. Half a banana for natural sweetness. A spoon of plain yogurt for more protein and creaminess. A few walnuts for extra crunch. Try not to overload the bowl with sugar, syrup, sweetened cream, or sugary flavored milk. The purpose is to make oats more nourishing, not turn them into dessert. The gentle 7-day start plan. Do not suddenly add large amounts of all 3 seeds on day 1. Your stomach may not like that. For the first 2 days, add 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed and 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. On day 3, increase the flaxseed to 1 tablespoon. By day 5, add 1 tablespoon of hemp hearts. By the end of the week, your body will usually have more time to adjust to the added fiber. Drink enough water throughout the day, because fiber works best when your body is well hydrated. Important things to remember. These seeds are helpful foods, but they are not medicine. If you have arthritis, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, swallowing problems, bowel disease, or you take several medications, speak with your doctor or dietitian before making major dietary changes. People with swallowing difficulties should avoid eating chia seeds dry because they expand when mixed with liquid. And remember, flax and chia contain plant-based omega-3 fats, but they are not identical to the omega-3 fats found in fatty fish. For people who eat fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout remain strong sources of EPA and DHA omega-3 fats. After 65, you do not need to chase expensive powders, complicated detox plans, or miracle remedies. Sometimes, the better choice is sitting right in your kitchen. A simple bowl of oats can become much more useful when you add ground flaxseed, chia seeds, and hemp hearts. It can support a fuller morning, a steadier appetite, better fiber intake, more plant-based protein, and a healthier overall eating pattern. Start with 1 spoon. Stay consistent. And let your breakfast become one of the easiest ways to take better care of yourself.